Read.
Of possible, be referred to the President of the Senate before commencement of the day sitting, and the President of the Senate shall refuse to allow the claim unless he is satisfied that the matter is definite and urgent. And 3 says, a senator moving a motion under combined order 41 and 51 shall ensure that the copies of the motion are available for all senators when approval to move the motion is granted.
Distinguished colleagues, the distinguished leader has approached me, and I want to put the question, those who are in support that it should be allowed to raise this issue of urgent national importance, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. So go ahead.
I thank you, the President. I want the copies to go around. The matter has to do with a great calamity that struck my local government on Saturday and is still subsisting till the time I'm speaking here now. My town is Ikire in the local government area of Osun State, and the area is never known for any flooding. It's not a prone area for flooding. But surprisingly on Saturday, there was a serious flood in this local government along the Ife-Ibadan Express Road that ravaged the length and breadth of the whole town from Saturday to Monday yesterday. Many property were destroyed, people were displaced, and a lot of vehicles could not move from Ibadan to Ife. People that watched the channel television on Saturday will attest to what I'm talking about, because it was national. So I go to the motion, sir. The Senate to note that the forecast of NIMET predicted that the level of rainfall in 2023 will be greater than that of 2022, and that over 180 local government area in 32 states, including Osun State, fall within the high flood risk. Also note that in the last 20 years, the Ikire, and Govt communities have never experienced this kind of erosion that ravaged the communities due to a heavy rainfall between Friday 21st and Saturday 22nd July 2023. Further note that Ibadan Express Road passes through Ikoyi, Ikire, and Govt towns. The tributaries of many streams from these towns enter the Osun River at Ikire Dam, thereby making the area marshy and waterlogged always. The Senate should also be aware that the said Ibadan Express Road, the construction, has been awarded to Copper Construction Company since 2019. However, the speed of work on the road is not encouraging at all. Concerned that the heavy flood in these towns has destroyed property worth several millions of naira, many households have been displaced, and motorists along the road were stranded for a whole day. Further concerned that if the spate of this flooding is not immediately checked, when the rainfall really starts in September to November this year, it could lead to unimaginable damages to lives and properties. The road, which is the second busiest road in southwest Nigeria after Lagos-Ibadan Road, may also become impassable. Accordingly, I urge the Senate, that's the prayer, sir, to urge the Federal Ministry of Works to immediately direct the contractor handling the Ibadan-Ife Road to, as a matter of urgency, proceed to the person affected by this flood at Ikire to avoid the further damages and allow free flow of traffic. Also, to urge the Ecology Office and FEMA to equally assist in the channelization of other affected areas in Ikire, Ikoyi, Akpomu, and Govt communities. And finally, sir, to further urge the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, to quickly send relief materials to the affected victims in Ikire, Akpomu, Ikoyi, and Gbagan, all in Osun West Central District, at least to cushion the effect of this flooding. I so submit, sir.
Senator Olubiyi Fadeyi, in his absence.